This is Dr. Stephen Katz. I'm a retired chiropractor. I practiced for over 20 years in the state of Georgia, and now my wife and I do residential real estate in the North Metro Atlanta area. I'd like to talk to you about air filters, particularly one that I've had for several years, and let you know the quality of this air filter and how much I believe in it. And I actually have two of them. It's called Anniston Air. It's the model 400, and we have the white model. I think it comes in white or black. But these HEPA filters are not like the kind of HEPA filters that you see at Walmart or Target or online at Amazon, even though I think they are sold through Amazon. But these are amazing filters. The filter cartridge itself is about 12 to 15 pounds because it has not only HEPA and carbon, it has zeolite. What this does is it helps take out the chemicals in the air as well. Especially like new construction, when you have the formaldehydes and everything that's going on, you know, with the carpets and the paints and the sheetrock, these filters are invaluable. They also come with a pre-filter. I'm going to go ahead and show you the filter itself, and then I'm going to show you what the actual replacement filter looks like. The filter is right here, and it comes on rollers. It's got an off, of course, and then a low, medium, and high. They're called Health Mate. Again, by Anniston Air. And it pulls the air in from four sides. The HEPA filter inside is round, and then this is the exit where the air comes out. We have ours going 24/7, and they are really amazing. This is the box that the filter comes in. Okay, now I know I can't show you weight, but let me just tell you, it's www.annistonair.com. But the weight of this thing, it's a heavy box. Now, I will be honest, these are not the cheapest filters, but you get what you pay for. And by the time you buy all those replaceable ones, these also are guaranteed to last for 5 years. So if it doesn't last for 5 years, they'll prorate it. And each one has a serial number and everything. I don't know, I may have to put the camera back onto the tripod because it's not easy to get this thing out. See, there's a serial number on it. And you see, this is amazing how big. This is my hand. This is the filter, completely round. And the pre-filter is in the inside here, the white one. And of course, with the white, you put the pre-filter around it. It gets all the big pieces of dust and everything. But this filters to such a degree and so much that the filter will last 5 or more years. That's amazing. But I have recommended these to many patients. And here in the inside you see the filter replacement and warranty. You actually, for your filter, it tells you exactly how to replace it. There's basically 4 screws on the bottom. It's very simple. The old one comes out and the new one slides right in, and then you put the media around it. But I just want to let you know that I can't say enough good about this filter. These filters, having had a lot of rescue cats and new construction and pet danger and that kind of thing, they really do make a difference in the quality of air. And the part that you can't see and you can't smell is, to me, very important, the zeolite that gets the chemicals out. So I wanted to give this a 5-star, 5 out of 5-star rating, a thumbs up, whatever else good you want to say or how you rate it. But I highly recommend, I'll put some links below to the company, Austin Air, to the filter that I have. They do make a junior model, which is a little smaller. I like the larger ones. We have it in one in our main room, and then we either have the other one in the bedroom, or my granddaughter's bedroom, or we also have a downstairs area in our finished basement that we put it. But you will not be disappointed with these filters. They are head and shoulders above any of the other ones out there. So if you have any questions, post them below. I'll have the links below. And again, if you're looking for one, this is the one that I would get. 73s.